Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the MSI MAG 27CQ6F monitor, and before you make a choice on your next gaming display, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research to bring you everything you need to know, and you'll find the best price link in the description below. In this video we'll cover the MAG 27CQ6F's performance, pricing at its current market position, and whether it's the right fit for your gaming setup. Let's dive right in and get started. The MSI MAG 27CQ6F stands out immediately, with its lightning-fast 1 ms GTG response time, powered by rapid VA technology, making this monitor an exceptional choice for competitive gamers who demand zero motion blur. This 27-inch curved gaming monitor features a 2560x 1440 WQHD resolution that delivers crisp, detailed visuals across its immersive curved panel. The monitor targets serious gamers and content creators who want premium performance without breaking the bank. What makes this display remarkable is its combination of speed and visual quality. The rapid VA panel technology achieves that coveted 1 ms response time typically reserved for TN panels, but with the superior color reproduction and contrast ratios VA panels are known for. Additionally, the curved screen design provides an encompassing viewing experience that pulls you into your games, creating a more natural field of view that reduces eye strain during extended gaming sessions. The adaptive sync technology eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, working seamlessly with both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible graphics cards. This versatility means you won't need to worry about your GPU choice limiting your monitor's performance. Furthermore, the super narrow bezels maximize your viewing area, making this monitor perfect for multi-display setups where you want minimal gaps between screens. With its 4.5-star rating on Amazon, users consistently praise the MAG 27CQ6F's outstanding color accuracy right out of the box. The monitor covers 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, delivering vibrant colors that make games come alive. Moreover, the built-in earphone out port adds convenience for users who prefer headphones without needing to reach for their PC case. The 165Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth gameplay, particularly noticeable in fast-paced titles like first-person shooters and racing games. Professional esports players and enthusiasts will appreciate how this high refresh rate combines with the 1 ms response time to provide a competitive edge in reaction-based games. However, one notable downside some users may find is the lack of built-in speakers. While the earphone out port partially compensates for this, users expecting integrated audio will need to invest in separate speakers or rely on headphones. Additionally, the VA panel, despite its improvements, still exhibits slight ghosting in extremely dark scenes compared to more expensive OLED alternatives. The monitor's ergonomic stand offers full adjustability including height, tilt and swivel adjustments, ensuring you can find the perfect viewing position for marathon gaming sessions. The anti-flicker technology and low blue light modes protect your eyes during extended use, making this an excellent choice for both gaming and productivity tasks. At its current price point, the MSI MAG 27CQ6F delivers exceptional value, competing with monitors costing significantly more. The combination of WQHD resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, and 1 ms response time at this price makes it a standout option in the crowded gaming monitor market. You got it. So that's it for the best curved gaming monitor on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.